Welcome back, Courageous. So today I have Star Wars, Anakin, Jedi, Starfighters, and a double brick heads, which I don't know what's inside. So I'm gonna do this first. It's called Starfighter. So now I'm just gonna open it. We got bag number 1, bag number 2. I mean, bag number 2, bag number 3, and what's this? Bag number 1. Oh, and a sticker sheet. So usually when I get these, I have 2 packs. 2 instructions, but meh, it's 1. So I'll see you after the time lapse. So welcome back, Courageous. So I already built the, what's this called again? Anakin's ship. Okay, so this is his starship. I'm kind of weirded out with R2-D2 being here because usually the droids are in the back, but maybe it's the sign of the ship. So it can fire. I don't want to fire it. That was close because sometimes I can't even find it. Now, this is gonna be weird. I'm just gonna go old school. Ugh. You know what, I just do this off camera. Han. You can't forget Chewie. Okay. So it's Han and Chewie, which his real name is Chewbacca. So I'm not gonna be building these today because 1, it's gonna be an extra long video, and 2, they deserve their own video. So bye, creators, and don't forget to subscribe.